For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use a dip powder that can chrome. Not every dip powder can chrome, but some can. I did two different swatches, one with black gel on it and the other one I just dipped it in the chrome powder itself, the way I normally would with any typical dip powder. In order to chrome, you're going to need a gel top coat. Make sure that it's a non-wipe top coat that doesn't leave a sticky layer. Regardless if you're applying the gel top coat over the black gel or the dipped nail itself, you're just going to apply a nice thin layer of gel top coat onto the nail and then cure it in a UV or LED lamp for about 10 to 15 seconds. You have to play with this timing because you want it just a little bit tacky and not fully cured. When it's done curing for the 10 to 15 seconds, take it out of the lamp, and then you can use an applicator tool, like an eyeshadow applicator tool, but I chose to use my glove for this. So you're going to take a little bit of the chrome powder and apply it in circular motions onto the nail. Just burnish it into the nail until it turns completely chromed. Here I'm comparing the dipped swatch on the right versus the chromed swatch on the left so you can see the difference. And I'm going to repeat the same process on the black gel nail. If for any reason your swatch or your nail is not chroming properly, it's very possible that you over cured it and you're going to have to repeat the gel top coat step and cure it for less time. And here are the two chromed swatches using this chromable dip powder. You're not done yet, so you need to finish curing. Remember how we under cured it for 10 to 15 seconds? We need to finish curing it in our LED or UV nail lamp. And when you're done, you can brush off the excess, if there's any excess, and apply the last layer of gel top coat. Alright, you're all done, and now you can enjoy your new chromed nails. The swatch on the far left is the one that was done over black gel. The one in the middle is the one that was dipped over itself and chromed over the dip powder. And the one on the far right is simply just a dipped nail. So here I'm just showing you a completely different angle and the way the chrome shifts. It looks really pretty. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want a video on how to chrome without a gel top coat, I might be able to find a way. Let me know. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up.